friends and Tiruu. Hey, 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 let's learn letters, shout hooray. A is apple, red and sweet. B is ball, bounce on your feet. C is cat, soft and purr. D is dog with happy fur. E is elephant, big and tall. F is fish, swim and crawl. G is goat, on the hillside. H is horse, running with pride. I is ice cream, cold and fun. J is jug, filled and done. K is kite, flying high. L is lion, king of the sky. M is monkey, swinging trees. N is nurse, caring with ease. O is owl, wise at night. P is parrot, colorful and bright. Q is queen, wearing a crown. R is rabbit, hopping around. S is sunflower, yellow and bright. T is tiger, strong with might. U is umbrella, under the rain. V is van, down the lane. W is whale, splashing blue. X is x-ray, see right through. Y is yo-yo, fun to play.